Hello there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy from 911 Studios, and today we are checking out some of the highest rated bread machines on all of Amazon. And this is, of course, the Hamilton Beach bread maker. You guys, Hamilton Beach has been making kitchen appliances for over 100 years. They know what they're doing. They are one of the most trusted brands, and that's for a reason. You guys know that they last and they are great machines. They are well designed. That's why this one in particular already has 8,000 five-star reviews on Amazon. If that doesn't give you confidence in buying, then I don't know what will. 8,000 other people saying, yep, 5 stars, this is an amazing bread maker. So one of the things that I love about this one is how easy it is to use. It has a lot of settings and options, but they aren't necessarily too many. It's not overwhelming. You basically have 3 different crust settings, 2 different sizes, and 12 different options for what type of loaf you are making. It even has options for cakes and jams as well. Everything that you need, but not too much, so it's not crazy and just overwhelming. This is the perfect beginner machine and perfect just for basically anything that you really need it to do. It'll get it done. I really like that this machine is pretty noise free. It's, you can hear it going in the background, but it's not going to disturb you. There are small beeps for when it changes into a different cycle, but nothing dramatic, nothing that is going to disturb your day, especially if you're working from home or you're trying to concentrate. You don't want something really noisy and loud going on in the kitchen. This is going to be the perfect option for you. This is a great option, especially for anyone that wants to still eat bread, but maybe you have a special diet if you're trying to do low salt or get rid of artificial ingredients or preservatives. You're trying to cut down on the added sugar in your bread, or maybe you're trying to go gluten-free. There are so many different special diets and so many things to look out for. And the Hamilton Beach bread maker is going to put that control back in your hands and allow you to really decide which ingredients you want to put in your bread and how you want to do it. And it can just be a really, really healthy thing for your family and allow you to still enjoy bread, even enjoy more bread because it's fresh baked at home. And according to whatever diet you're following, I highly suggest you guys pick this one up. You will be very glad you did.